How to check following date on Instagram. So all you have to do is go here directly to your Instagram application. But first and foremost is let me just put it out there. There is no specific date that is given for you to know when is the exact date and time you have followed that person, but it will give you the month range or the years or the year range. So to do that, here make sure that you are on the home page. Now, if you scroll up here, make sure that you are on the Instagram, not on your favorites, not on your following, but on your Instagram here. Now, the next thing that you're gonna do is to choose the account that you want to know how long have you been following, or how to check or how to check your following date on your Instagram. Tap on the in here. So let's say this one, tap on three dots here and tap on why you're seeing this post. Now, this will actually pop out here. It will say because you follow Philippine Star and you have followed Philippine Star for over a month. And basically that is the only way that you can know or check how long have you been following the Instagram accounts. Or for example, this one, tap on this, do the same process, and as you can see, for your I have been following this account for 10 months. And basically that is the only way you can check your following date on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.